the next few days. The wet weather gear will come in handy, but things eventually settling down, and dry weather for the later part of the week, or drier than it's been. We've had quite a bit, in fact, through the night. Thunderstorms into parts, say for instance Ludd Hill picked up almost 3/4 of an inch from some of those nasty storms there. And going back through the records, just through the past few months, we've actually finished a dry spell. England and Wales, November to March, 69% of normal. But April, once the tallies come in, could be above normal for rainfall. We'll see how we go. But let's come out first off and look at things. There's that big blob of cloud that made it quite wet and thundery for some of us through the first part of the day. And notice just bits and pieces of cloud down here, all tied in with an area of low pressure, and these little bends of weather fronts working in, coming in from a very warm and humid area. Each one will work in. Another one down here will come in through the course of tonight, give some of us some thundery showers. But eventually, high pressure here will build in and push the low away, more settled weather later in the week. But we've got some thundery showers to deal with, which we could even still see through the afternoon over eastern Scotland. But fairly bright and rather nice sunny spells for a fair part of England and Wales. The odd shower could pop up on a weak little weather front that comes through, but in this warm and humid air, look at the temperatures, 22, maybe 25 in some spots. Obviously a little bit cooler into parts of Scotland with a fair bit of cloud here. As we go through the course of things for the night, we'll see, well, just perhaps our thundery showers. They'll be working in across the south and the east, and still our patchy rain up into parts of Scotland. And temperatures still quite mild, but we start off holiday Monday with our thundery showers probably moving off the east coast here, and then through the day we start seeing some of those thundery showers bubble up here and there, another little bend of a weather front nosing in, but not bad further north into parts of Scotland, and temperature-wise as well, perhaps 21, maybe even 22, and the milder air getting into Scotland and Northern Ireland. As we go through the week, our low pressure that was to our southwest moves across us, so it's not out of the woods yet for Tuesday. Still some showers here and there, a little bit cooler as well, the numbers 16 to perhaps 20, but not bad for the most part. Hit and miss, and some of these showers thundery. By the time we get to Wednesday, our low still close by, but notice the high pressure getting a little bit closer, trying to nudge its way in, so things getting a bit better. Two areas of rain, one with the low down to the southeast, that moves away, and another little weather front just providing some showers into the north and the west. But in between, northern parts of England, North Wales, it's not a bad middle part of the week. Maybe that's the day for the hill walking or something. And the numbers 13, 14 to perhaps further south, a 17 or 18. So notice getting a little bit cooler as we get into more of the west to northwesterly wind. We go towards Thursday, getting to the late part of the week, and our high pressure is slowly starting to nose in a bit further. But one little wiggle of a weather system trying to climb in as well, which will actually give us some patchy cloud into the northwest. Elsewhere not bad, a few showers, and then into the end of the week for Friday, high pressure, maybe an odd shower down to the southeast. So that's the weather for now. Now back to